buffalo?
I thought it was a pig. A dead one.
Is it Granny Piggy?
Let's call it that.
Poodle. It's a big poodle. Puppy.
Oh my God.
Part, the
I've
best
never heard anyone smell like this in my life.
Best part, Dad.
Oh my God. I think it's done.
No.